Hello everyone, I am Vedrago from ADS department. Today I will explaining the basic concepts of JavaScript and node.js with simple examples. We will cover JavaScript topics like variables, conditional statements, arrays, loops, functions and objects. And then we will explore node.js, callback functions, installing packages and building a Telegram bot. Let's start with the JavaScript concepts, the variables, the conditional statement, arrays, loops, functions, and objects. These are the basic concepts in the JavaScript. First, let us discuss about the variable concepts. In JavaScript, variables are used to store data. We have three main types, var, let, and constant. Var is the old way, where let and constant are modern and more commonly used. Let allows changing the value, while constant keeps it fixed. Here is the sample program for the variables in JavaScript. And here we created three variables, name using var, age using let, and college using constant. Then we printed them using console.log. The output will show the values we stored. If we try to change a constant variable, it will show an error. And this is the respective output of the above sample program. It prints out the name Vera, age 20, college AIDS department. And our next concept is conditional statements. Conditional statements help us make decision based on condition. If we use if, else if, and else to check different possibilities. This is the sample program for conditional statement in JavaScript. And here, if the marks are 90 or more, it prints grade A plus. If marks are between 75 and 89, it prints grade A. Otherwise, it prints grade B. This is how JavaScript checks conditions and executes code accordingly. And this is the respective output of the above sample program. And we given marks is equal to 85. And it is marks is greater than is equal to 75. So it prints the grade A. And the third concept in JavaScript is arrays. Arrays are used to store multiple values in one variable. Each value has an index number starting from 0. Here is a sample program for arrays in JavaScript. Here we created an array named fruits with three elements. Using fruits index 0, we access the first element apple. Then we added a new fruit using the push method. Now the array will have four elements, including orange. Arrays help us group related data together. And here is the respective output of the above sample program. It prints out the fruits apple, banana, mango because we given an console.log first fruit fruits index 0 and we added an new element and that is orange. So the list becomes 4 and the list is apple, banana, mango, orange. And our next topic in JavaScript concepts are loops. Loops are used to repeat tasks without writing the same code again and again. The most common loops are for, while, and for each. And is a respective sample program for the loops in JavaScript. In this program, in the first loop, the for loop runs from 0 to 4 because there are five numbers. Each time it prints the element from the array. The second example uses the for each method. It takes each number and prints its pair. Loops make our code short and efficient. And this is the respective output of the above sample program. We given the condition for let I is equal to 0, I less than numbers dot length I plus plus and it prints the numbers number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and these for respect to numbers we apply a condition square so the output is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and this is squares of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our next topic in JavaScript concepts are functions. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. By calling it, we can reuse it multiple times just by calling it. And this is a sample program for the functions in JavaScript. Here in the sample code, here we defined a function called greet that takes one argument name. It returns a greeting message. When we call greet Vera, it returns hello Vera. functions help us reuse code and keep programs clean. And here is the respect to output of the above sample program. We given console.log read Vera, it prints out the hello Vera. The last concept in JavaScript concepts, but not least, is objects. Objects in JavaScript store data as key value pairs. They are very useful for representing real world entities like students, car, or products. This is a sample program for the objects. In this sample program, we can observe an object named car is created using curly braces to store details about a car. The object has three properties: brand with the value Toyota, model with the value Corolla, and a year with the value 2020. Each property written as a key value pair inside the object. To display the values, the program uses console.log along with dot notation like car.brand, car.model, and car.year. To access and print each property, when the code runs, it shows the brand, model, and year of the car on the console. And here is a respect to output of the above sample program. It prints out the brand, model, year. And the brand is Toyota, model Corolla, and year 2020. With this, we complete the main basic concept in the JavaScript. And now we move to the concept of node.js. Node.js runs JavaScript on the server. It is fast because it uses the V8 engine. It uses npm to install packages. And the simple definition of Node.js, it is a compiler and where the JavaScript program is executed. It is a separate platform for the JavaScript and it is very useful to many programs. And our next topic is callback function. The simple definition for callback function is a callback function is a function passed into another function as an argument. It runs after the main function finishes. And here is the sample program for the callback functions in JavaScript. And if we observe the sample program, the function add numbers takes three parameters, two numbers a comma b and a callback function callback. Adds two numbers and stores the sum in sum. Then it calls the callback function and passes the sum as an argument. The display result function issues the value and prints it. And here is the respect to output of the above sample program is the result is 50. And this is the concept of callback functions in JavaScript. And our next topic and the main topic in this video is npm packages. These npm packages are very helpful one to run a JavaScript code because it has the packages and we use the packages in our JavaScript code. It saves the time and gives the output immediately. And this npm package is available in the Chrome website. And if we go to the Chrome website and enter the npm packages, it use the it in the home page the npm. And this npm we can find out many packages and install in our command prompt. Then let us see how this package is installed. First, we have to change our mode to desktop mode because our files are saved in desktop mode. After converting into desktop mode, we have to install the package. I am taking check if frame and this package is used to find out a frame number in the given program. So install the package by using npm install check if frame. After this installing, we have to execute our program. Let us see a sample program of prime numbers. And this is the sample program using the check if prime package. And to run this, we have to go to the command prompt. And to run this program, we have to enter the node prime.js and it gives the output true or false, true and false. And this is the process how to install a package in command prompt. And our next topic is how to build a Telegram chatbot using node.js. And to build a Telegram chatbot using node.js, the first step is to install a token. And this installation get the process. And how is go to the Telegram app in your mobile and open the bot folder. And in this bot folder, type the new bot. It asks the some basic information, the name and the username. And after this, it gives a token. And this token, there is a token number. And this token number is used in our program. And this is token number is the main in this Telegram chatbot installation. And this is the basic sample program to build a Telegram chatbot. And here is our token number, and it is very important to build a Telegram chatbot. And now we want to run this program in the command prompt. Yeah, now we should change the mode into Telegram folder because I saved this program in a Telegram bot folder. So we should change the mode. And after the changing the mode, now we should initialize by using npm install wise. And after the installation, we have to install a package that should for the creation of a Telegram chat bot. Install npm install node Telegram bot API is the package for the build up Telegram chart bot. And after this, and my file name is bot.js. And to run this, no, we have run a code node bot.js. And after the running of the program, if the way to check our is Telegram chatbot is installed. Go to the Telegram and enter the username of your Telegram chatbot, and it shows your Telegram chatbot and give the comments for the reply. And these are the concepts in the JavaScript and the Node.js npm packages and how to build a Telegram chatbot using Node.js. And thank you for watching my video.